Well, everybody's making a freaking video.
It's not a tip. You can't see it.
I look at your face while you make the video.
Yeah.
Your face is ugly.
Feathers.
And this is from me. I did it. I did it. I did it.
You're nice. Subscribe to Caitlin Embry.
Subscribe to all of us. Part of me and 502. Just give me an extra subscribers. And the Bubble Bros and Caitlin Embry. Search her up sometimes.
Dude, I tapped it.
Tap, 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 tap.
Holy crap.
Dude. Oh! 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 I just kicked that. Oh! Down it down it down.
I did it.
You always do it because you mean to kick hard. Okay.
Stupid Gavin. I did it. Bubble Rose.
Okay, I did it.
No, let's see if this blow will help.
Let's see if this kick will help.
That helped. Look at that.
It is. I think I kicked it too hard.
No.
I don't think I kicked it. I didn't
Dude,
kick
you
it.
almost hit me in my face after that.
You really? Really? You think I didn't try? I tried! Dude, you suck at making videos because you never focus it. You, look, this is what you do all the time. Let's go. Hey, that's what you do all the freaking time. When we're making something, you gotta go like,
You know you don't have to turn it around. You could just, flip it right.
No, you can't flip it. It's only at the beginning of the video. I didn't do it!
I really didn't do it. I just walked past it.
Yep. Well, we're done here. Okay, so bye. Well,
Behind the scenes.
check the view of Gavin Embry too on Bubble Bros. So, dude, yours is gonna be part 2 and mine's gonna be part 1. Okay.
Sure.